Hello viewers. In this video I will be teaching how to make passport size photos in Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. Now, double-click on the image layer and hit OK. Select the crop tool. Here, keep the ratio as 1.5:2. And then adjust the crop area according to the face. Now, go to Image and click on Image Size. Here, simply copy my settings. Now, go to Edit and click on Stroke option. Keep width at 5 pixel and select black color and color picker. Select location as inside. Now press Ctrl+T, and then press and hold Alt key and reduce the size a little bit. Now, go to Edit and click on Define Pattern option. Go to File and click on New. Here, copy all my settings again. Click on Create button. Now, go to Edit and click on Fill option. Here click on Pattern Library and select the image. And then hit OK. Now, for saving the file simply go to File and click on Save As. Here, select JPEG option. Click on Save button. We are done here. Let's have a look at final output. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.